my name is Nina. I just wanted to kind of share a couple of words about who I am and what I do. I studied, didn't study computer science, I studied political science and Slavic languages and moved to Berlin and then figured out that I actually want to do coding. So I transitioned into coding, first started learning Ruby on Rails, built some marketplace type of apps. One was to help refugees who came from Syria to connect with locals to find some volunteering opportunities and some kind of mini jobs and stuff like that. So this was around 2015. Later, I started freelancing with the Ethereum Foundation, and I was working on one project was Play Editor, like a in-browser smart contract editor. So this was like a mini version, and there was also another one called Remix. But later I moved away from Ethereum Foundation and started working on the project Dot, which is basically like a mini blockchain that handles a logic to know who. Basically, it's like a hosting solution for peer-to-peer apps. So if you have some extra space on your computer, you can offer this space to somebody who needs hosting and the other way around. So when you need hosting, you can rent a space from somebody else. And like in torrent times, we were having this ratio that was tracking how much we uploaded and how much we downloaded. So we're using blockchain, a custom blockchain built with Substrate to track this, so that because we don't want like freeloaders who would just come and want to use space to host but never give something back. So it's just like a way to track how much hosting is somebody offering and how much hosting is somebody using. So this is the project Dot. I'm working on this for the past 2 years. We're getting closer, but it's like a big project because it's a bridge between this blockchainish logic, very, very minimal and simple, and hypercore protocol. We're trying to make also hypercore protocol work in the browser. So there's just like a lot of details that we need to solve. Next to this project, I'm also for the past, I don't know, 8 years already working on the WizardAmigos community. So we started in Berlin organizing meetups twice a week for many years. Later also in Taiwan. And we organized a couple of code camps. One was in Chiang Mai, one was in Berlin, and now in Wales. So the idea of this code camp is just to get people together, smart people who are passionate about their field, people who are not necessarily from the same story, so that we can learn and inspire each other. So this is like something that I'm passionate about, to learn constantly. And next to this, I'm also teaching what I learn. So the current project is to help people learn the basics of web development, hypermodular web development without any frameworks. So how to build like minimal components and then how to plug these components together. We have like a first workshop that already finished and then the second one that is running at the moment. So we have also a community on Discord, so a lot of people who are learning with us. And then we're also trying to help people who learn earn something, because a lot of people are, when they're transitioning, they just don't have income, or they come from backgrounds where there is just like less income. So we're trying to also hire people who are learning so that they can practice what they learned and they also kind of earn a little bit on the side. So yeah, that's about me. I'm looking forward to meet you very soon.